Good afternoon, Year 6. I hope you're okay and you're looking forward to this afternoon's RE lesson. In our RE this term, we're going to be looking at different religions. And we're going to start off by looking at Judaism. Now, World War II was a really tough time for Jewish people because they were persecuted and not treated very nicely by Adolf Hitler. You might have heard of somebody called Anne Frank, and I'm sure that in Miss Williamson's reading that she did for you on Padlet, you'll have learned a little bit about the Holocaust, which is sadly how many of the Jews were killed during World War II. Now, that's the link to World War II, but we're going to look at Judaism today because there's many Jewish people living in England. You might know somebody yourself that's Jewish, and it's really good for us to learn about other religions other than ours, and we can tolerate, understand, and have a understanding of how other people choose to live their lives. So let's have a look at the PowerPoint for this afternoon. Okay, so like I said, we're going to explore and describe a range of beliefs, symbols, and actions to understand different ways of life. Okay, and during this lesson, I'd like you to start off by having a think about these questions. Why is it important to learn about different religions? And can you think of some differences between religions? Think about what people might wear, the special days that they celebrate, and the different symbols. Those symbols that we talk about are around here, and you might recognize that this cross is a symbol of Christianity. Okay, there's lots of others around here. Some you might know, some you might want to research, but the one that we're looking at today is this Jewish Star of David, okay, and that is the symbol of Judaism. So, what I'd like you to do this afternoon is produce a mind map all about Judaism. Okay, like we said, Judaism is the name of the religion, and the followers are known as Jews. And Judaism began around 4,000 years ago. Okay, there are many religious symbols, beliefs, and rules that Jews have to follow. Okay, just like Christians might follow certain rules for their religion. Okay, Muslims might follow certain rules for their religion. Okay, so as you go through today's lesson, I'd like you to create your own mind map and use these subheadings: worship, holy book, clothes, and special occasions. Okay, so we're going to meet this young man here called Zach, and he lives according to Jewish teachings. Okay, he's going to explain, okay, what he does to worship and the type of food that people that are Jewish like to eat. Okay, we'd like you to watch the video twice, and I'd like you to specifically focus on the special names that Zach uses for the things he mentions about the Jewish faith. Okay, so there's the video link. And then while you're watching the video, have a think about these questions. You can put your answers on your mind map. What language do Jewish people pray in? When do Jews celebrate each week? What do they call this important time? What is the name of the person who teaches Jewish people? Where do Jews worship? And once you've worked out where Jews worship, I want you to see if you can find the closest place of Jewish worship to you. What's the name of the most important Jewish holy book? So, for example, in Christianity, that would be the Bible. What are the names of the religious things that Jewish people wear? What is the word that Jews use for things that are allowed in their religion? And what can't Jews eat? Okay, what can't they eat? Moving on, there's a special Jewish day of rest, and that's called Shabbat. And if you have a look at this clip, you'll meet this family, and they're going to tell you all about the day of Shabbat. Okay. And then I want you to think about or add to your mind map, what can people do and what can't people do on Shabbat? And how do people welcome in Shabbat when it's coming up in their week? So there's lots of things for you to learn this week. I'm sure if you have time, you could research some more things about what it's like, the Jewish clothes, the Jewish things that they like to eat, the things that they have in their place of worship, the rules they have to follow. Have a look on BBC Bite Size. Okay, have a look on Kiddle, which is the children's version of Google, and see what you can find. We look forward to seeing your mind maps. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.